I'm so excited to go into Giant Foods and get all of our good stuff for Dirty Keto.
A special thank you to Giant Food for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you get your coupon code down in the description link below so you can also shop at Giant Food.
Kevin's brand is amazing with their rice cauliflower and their other keto products.
I'm completely obsessed because today it was buy one, get one free. Hello, I totally stocked up on their keto cauliflower mashed potatoes. They had stir fry that was keto. This is not dirty keto, not lazy keto. It's actually 100% clean keto with their ingredients. I highly recommend, if you can find this brand, get it. Get as many as you can. It was so good. Giant Food hooked it up today, particularly with the buy one, get one free sale today. I was so excited. I got a bunch of stuff today in our haul, which I'm going to show you, that are local, fresh produce, but this was the sale, like the cheap keto of the day. It was totally keto on a budget.
Panino's with their artisan rolls with the salami. It's artisan wraps, gluten-free.
My little boy is obsessed with these for keto lunches on the go, or if you're going back to work, these are great things to put into your work lunch bag, or if you want a quick snack. I normally drink sparkling water, but I had to stop and get these.
I'm gonna try the sparkling ice, though the caffeine drinks, there's a couple of them that I'm gonna go ahead and try and see if I like them. Zevia. I ended up getting some of their organic heavy cream, got 2 of these. I'm gonna go snag some of the produce.
Their produce is so fresh. There were so many local things that I was so pumped to get. I want to get some cauliflower rice. We'll talk about that a little bit more later. I wanted to get a bunch of those, and I actually ended up getting some of this organic mint for my sparkling water, but I wanted to have something to zhuzh up my water just because I'm kind of getting bored with it. And I wanted to do something fun for spring and summer months. Those berries were on point, by the way. And I wanted to go through and check out their deli section. Got a couple of things for, again, keto lunches on the go, for some quick snacks. That basil and Alfredo sauce is absolutely amazing. It's totally dirty keto or lazy keto. I'm home, and I ended up getting Kevin's keto mashed cauliflower. If you guys have not had Kevin's, this is the thing you need to go run and get. Go to Giant Foods, go run and get it. I'm absolutely obsessed. It is so good. I got their keto mashed cauliflower. I've also got their keto, it's their cauli mac and cheese, and I also got their keto stir fries and cauli. It's so good. They do have, by the way, these amazing chicken dishes and other beef dishes. Kevin's is where it's at. The ingredients are clean. I found this in Giant Foods at the back, but they did have some of it near the front. Go run and get the whole thing. By the way, because it's such fresh ingredients, it's used in the next like 30 days or ish, like 5 weeks, but you can freeze them. So if we don't use them in the time frame that they have because it's so fresh, then we just freeze them. Drinks, cheers. Okay, I got a whole bunch of drinks. I wanted to try per y'all's suggestion, so put in the comments your favorite thing. I wanna know. I ended up getting the sparkling ice with caffeine. Like, I need more caffeine. I just had some coffee. But this one is strawberry citrus. Got that one to try. I've not tried. And the sparkling ice, the black cherry. I also got the zero sugar. And again, you guys know I love my sparkling water that I just make here at home. But sparkling ice, caffeine, black raspberry, and then also the blue raspberry. So black raspberry, blue raspberry. We'll see which one's better. Yeah! We're doing snacks for work stuff. This one is the Vermont Smoking Cure Uncured Pepperoni Sticks. These have literally 1 carb per 2 sticks in there. So this is for my kids' lunches for camps. In the words of Britney Spears, give me more. I wanted some organic mint. It's locally grown. They've been making it since circa 1950. Hello. So it's some mint. I'm gonna put that in my sparkling water. I got an avocado, which is perfect, by the way. It's nice and squishy, not too firm, not too squishy, just right. And then I got, these are awesome too. It's a quick little lunch for my, or dinner, a keto dinner for my kid. It's the garlic and 4 cheese stuffed baby bells. They are, 2 mushrooms are only 2 net carbs in. So basically one of them is 1 net carb per thingy. It's delicious. And hello, it's cheese. Unless I was gonna say, who doesn't love cheese? I guess if you're lactose intolerant, but it's really good. This is the one that I'm excited about. This is the spring mix that's super, super close to our house, locally grown, 0 pesticides, no need to wash, it's traceable. This one I'm excited about. And they had the picture of the farmer at Giant Foods. foods. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm very pumped about that. I was like, I want to buy 5 things of that lettuce. And then I did get some cauliflower rice. You guys know my affinity, or not affinity. What's the opposite of affinity? Not. Towards the smell of cauliflower. So I will be dousing it in a garlic bath. It will be getting a big garlic bath to get some of the infusion in it. But here's what. Heavens, when you get these, even though it's made out of cauliflower, it does not smell like cauliflower. And that's one of the reasons why I say get them. Get them, get them. These are like the easiest dinners and sides. Like you can get one of their dinners, one of their sides, and it was buy one, get one free this week. I actually may go back. I think I'm gonna go back seriously and get a bunch to freeze. Literally they are 50% off. It was buy one, get one free at Giant Foods. Yash please. Oh my gosh, these are so delicious. If you guys don't use these for lunches, you should. These are the artesian wraps. They do also have pepperoni ones and bruschetta ones. These are amazing. Okay, cheese, cheese, cheese. This is so good. I got a whole bunch of cheese and some deli meat to go with the cheese for easy low carb roll-ups for lunches. And this is my other thing for coffee is my organic heavy cream. I'm really excited, really excited about the organic heavy cream. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.